Hey guys, welcome to Detector's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Monday.com versus Asana and versus Notion. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now let's start this tutorial with Monday.com. Monday.com is a versatile work operating system that helps teams manage projects, tasks, and workflows. So it uses a visual and customizable approach to streamline collaboration and improve project visibility. With its user-friendly interface, Monday.com is designed to adapt to various team sizes and industries. So this is what its website would look like, and for you to be able to get started onto Monday.com, you'll just need to simply click onto create new account here onto the upper part of the screen. But before we head on to that, let's check first Monday's pricing. So you can see pricing in here. Just simply click onto that one. And here's the pricing of Monday.com. So as you can see, we're currently using the free trial. So we have 5 options in here. So for free, you have individuals looking to keep track of their work. For basic, you can manage all your teams of work in one place. In standard, you can collaborate and optimize your work across teams. Pro, streamline complex workflows at scale. And enterprise, get exclusive features for your organization. So you can see the different options also in here to all of its details so that you'd be able to choose which one do you prefer. So you could also click onto this complete features list so that you'd be able to see a table onto all of its plan. So if you want to get started already, just simply click here onto the upper part of the screen and click on create new account. So creating a new account in Monday.com is easy. So you'll have the option in here to continue with Google, or you can add in your email in here and just simply click on to continue. So by proceeding, you should agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to log in. Now, right after logging in, here's what you'll see. So this is Monday's dashboard. So here onto the upper part, you could see the different options. So you have here the notification, the inbox, the invite members, the apps, search bar, help, and your account settings. Here on the account settings, you can see your profile, import data integration, developers, trash, archive administration, teams, and the logout button. You can also explore different options such as Marketplace, mobile app, Monday Labs, shortcuts, and you can invite members in here, get help, and change the theme. So you have light, dark, and night for its themes. So you could also upgrade your plan in here, and you have a working status. So you can on the do not disturb, or you could just turn this one off. So here onto the left side, you'd be able to see your workplace. And here onto the bottom part, we have your 3 workspace. So just simply click onto the workspace that you want to use, or if you want to add a new one, just simply click onto these 3 lines in here and then add a new workspace. So let's use this main workspace that I have in here. So just need to simply click onto that. You can see the recent boards, members, and permission. And here onto this part, you can have it renamed, change the workspace type, and delete this. So you could also click onto inventory management. So this is the board that we have onto this workspace. So this is the full view of the board. So just click onto this main table since it is the main one. So this one in here is called groups. So the group name that we have in here is electronics. So this one inside the group are called items. So for you to be able to add one, just simply click on to add item in here. And then you could put a name in here. So let's add an item and then just click on enter. So you could also add in the person to be assigned in here. You can assign yourself. You can also change the status, the date, and the drop down. And for you to be able to add another one, just simply click onto this add new group. So you could rename it and then you can add item as well in here. And for you to be able to join with your friends or teammates, just simply click onto invite and add in their email. Now let's head to the other platform that we have in here, which is ASANA. ASANA is a task and project management tool designed to help teams organize their work and achieve their goals. So it offers clear and structured way to create, assign, and track tasks, making it a popular choice for teams seeking efficient task management and collaboration. So this is what ASANA's website looks like. But let's check on its pricing first. And you can see the different plans that they offer. We have basic in here for individuals or teams just getting started with project management. So this is free forever. We have premium as well for teams that need to create project plans with confidence at $10.99. We also have business in here for teams and companies that need to manage work across initiatives with $24.99. So you could just simply click on to get started or purchase now to get this plan that you like. And you can also compare these features. So for you to be able to log in or sign up, just simply click onto this Get Started button in here. Then you'll be redirected onto the sign up page. So you have the option to sign up with your Google account or sign up in here. And by signing up, you should agree to ASANA privacy policy and terms of service. Now here on ASANA, this is what its dashboard would look like. So here onto the upper part, you can see a search bar and you can see the number of days left into your trial, and you could add in also the billing info. So here is your account setting. Just simply click onto that. And to add in a new workspace, just simply click onto this button in here. So you could rename your workspace in here. Let's add in workspace. And here you can add in your members in here. Just simply type in their email and then click on create workspace. Now here's what your workspace would look like. So if you scroll down here onto the bottom part, you can add in the task in here. You could add in task number 1 and just simply click on to enter to create, or click on to tab to add in a due date. So you could also click onto which project is this. And since we don't have any project, let's add one. So simply click onto the right side in here onto create a project, and you could use a blank project, a template, or import a spreadsheet. So let's try to use a template. So simply click onto that and you can see the different templates that they offer in here. So here are the recommended, and we have others as well in here. So let's just click one. So you could click on use template once chosen, and then you could edit the privacy to public to workspace, private to project members, and private to me. So just simply click on create project right after. And right after, as you can see, we have successfully added the template. We have here its overview, list, board, timeline, calendar, workflow, and there are also 3 more views in here. So you can add in task in here, and also here onto the right side is more like the main options or main settings that we have here. You can head back to home, your task, and inbox, your insights, which includes reporting, portfolios and goals, your projects, and your team in here. Now let's head to the last platform that we have in here, which is Notion. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, document collaboration, and task management, making it suitable for personal organization, team collaboration, and knowledge management. As you can see, this is what its website would look like. So let's go ahead to its pricing. Simply click onto it, and here are the plans that they offer. So we're currently using this one, the free. So these are for organizing every corner of your work and life. Here on to the other plan we have here is Plus. This is a place for small groups to plan and get organized. You can see business as well for companies using Notion to connect several teams and tools for $15. And here onto the enterprise, this offers advanced controls and support to run your entire organization. You would need to contact support for this one. And here onto the bottom part, you can also compare the plans and its feature. So for you to be able to get started, click on to get Notion free in here. Now here onto the sign up page, you'll just need to type in your work email in here. You can continue with email, continue with Google, or continue with Apple. Just choose which one do you prefer in here to get started. Now here is what its dashboard would look like. So since we're just new to this platform, they have a getting started template in here for you to be able to see the basics. So as you can see, you could just click anywhere and just start typing. Hit this K in here to see all types of content you can add, headers, videos, sub pages, or anything. You could also highlight any text and use the menu that pops up to your style, your writing, however you like. So let's try this one out. So simply hover it like that, and then you could also click the plus new page button at the bottom of your sidebar to add a new page. So this one, you could simply click onto that to add in a new page. You could choose text, page, to-do list, and header. So as you can see here onto the upper part, you have the share option in here to publish it to the web, the comments, the history or updates, and then you could also pin the page into your sidebar in here. And here onto the left side, you have your account setting or your account name. You have the search, updates, settings, and members, adding a new page. So you could also add in here. So you can see the getting started pages in here. And if you want to add more, just simply click onto here and you could create a team space and the template, your import, and then the trash. And there you have it. After exploring the features and step-by-step guides from Monday.com, ASANA, and Notion, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision about which tool aligns best with your team's needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize visual project management, structured task organization, or flexible workspace creation, understanding these platforms will empower you to enhance your team's productivity and efficiency. And if you've liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.